Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best pressure cookers in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these pressure cookers, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot has a serious cult following, resulting in nearly 155,000 Amazon reviews with a cumulative 4.7 stars on this model alone. In our tests, it earned high scores in nearly every test, and it was one of the few we looked at that made rice that was well cooked, not mushy. It also aced our pressure cooking and slow cooking beef stew tests. The controls are highly intuitive and include settings for making soup, meat, stew, beans, poultry, rice, yogurt, and other Instant Pot recipes. The simple design makes it easy to use, and the clearly labeled buttons cause no confusion when testing this model. While it doesn't feature an LCD screen or tons of functions like more advanced cookers, this model is great for beginners or people who don't need as many bells and whistles. What we love the most about this model is how reasonably priced it is, under $100. Reasons to buy. Simple, intuitive controls. Pressure cooks on low and high for more control. Reasons to avoid. Took a long time to release pressure naturally. Number 2. Breville Fast Slow Pro Multifunction Cooker. The Fast Slow Pro is swankier than most pressure cookers, and it offers tons of customizable cooking settings. You can control the precise temperature and pressure level from 1.5 to 12 psi, and you can choose between Auto Quick, Auto Pulse, or Natural Pressure Release. It even has an altitude adjust feature. Just program your current altitude, and it will fine-tune the time and temperature settings to match your boiling point. Settings are included for vegetables, rice, soup, meat, bone-in meat, chili, stew, dessert, and more. During testing, this produced the most tender pressure-cooked stew out of all the machines we tested, leaving the meat and veggies perfectly cooked and the broth rich in color and flavor. And perhaps best of all, though it's a relatively sophisticated appliance, testers found the LCD screen and knob controls intuitive and easy to use. Reasons to buy. Offers great control over temperature and pressure levels. Custom setting option. Reasons to avoid. Came up to pressure slower than others we tested. No delay start setting. Number 3. Zaver EZLock Pressure Cooker. Stovetop pressure cookers require manual adjustment and attention but aren't as scary as people may think. What sets this particular stainless steel stovetop cooker apart is just how simple it is to operate. During testing, we loved how the lid's universal lock system allows you to secure the lid at any position. Once you hear the click, you'll know that it's properly set. The EZLock produced the highest score for beef stew in the stovetop pressure cooker category. It produced tender meat and vegetables thanks to its ability to reach 15 psi, coming to pressure in just under 11 minutes. This model features 2 psi levels, 8 and 15, and also has a quick release setting and a clean setting. The red pressure indicator was easy to see during testing, and the lid locks close when the cooker contains pressure, so there is no need to worry about opening the lid prematurely. Reasons to buy. Easy locking lid. Clear pressure indicator. Reasons to avoid. Pricey. Number 4. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. Like other models, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker has a host of cooking capabilities, including pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, searing, sautéing, and sous vide. It even has a built-in scale for precisely following a recipe. Unlike other models, this one has a standout feature that's particularly appealing to budding home chefs: more than 1,000 presets and access to more than 600 guided recipes and culinary how-to videos. Plus, you can control the appliance using your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. During our test, experts loved how easy the step-by-step instructions were to follow on the LCD screen. The Chef IQ earned one of the top pressure scores during our beef stew testing, pressurizing in 31 minutes. Compared to other machines, it was very easy to clean and assemble. Removing and reinstalling the silicone ring was a breeze. The sleek matte black design is one that we wouldn't mind keeping out on our countertops. Reasons to buy. Wireless controls. Access to recipes and instructions. Built-in scale. Reasons to avoid. App occasionally loses connection. Outer lid gets very hot. Number 5. Cuisinart 6QT. High-pressure multi-cooker. This multi-cooker from Cuisinart goes up to 15 psi and won top scores in our slow cooker test, making the most tender beef stew out of all other multi-cookers. Experts love how simple it was to use. The large LCD screen makes it easy to read each function, and the clearly labeled buttons are lit, making everything easy to see. The timer allows you to see exactly how much more cooking time remains before completion, and once finished, a new stopwatch will start showing the time that the food has remained in the cooker. When coming to pressure, progress bars appear on the screen to let you know what stage the machine has reached. The same will happen when it is releasing. Pressure bars will lessen until all pressure is released. The twist lid makes it easy to open and close, so you never have to worry about the lid being properly aligned. Unlike other pressure cookers, the sealing gasket comes off for cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher. Once you're ready to add the gasket, just mount it right back into place with a simple push and click. There is no exposed pressure valve, so for those who are afraid of releasing pressure, this model will help relieve some of your pressure cooking anxieties. Reasons to buy. Comfortable twist handle. Easy to read controls. Reasons to avoid. Lid is attached. Number 6. Ninja Foodi 6.5QT. Pressure cooker. The Ninja Foodi combines two popular cooking styles: pressure cooking and air frying in one machine. For those who love both the tenderness that pressure cooking offers and the crispness air frying can bring, this multi-cooker is for you. Available in both 6.5QT and 8QT visions, this updated model uses only one lid, unlike the original Ninja Foodi XL 8QT. Pressure cooker. The SmartLid slider enables you to select up to 13 different cooking functions, including pressure cooking, air frying and steam frying, which fries and steams simultaneously. Both the cooking pot and accessories are dishwasher safe, and any residue or food splatter on the outside of the machine was easy to clean with a damp cloth during testing. This model also had one of the top scores for performance during our stew tests. The Foodie came to pressure it in just 25 minutes. We found this particular multi-cooker is best for those with larger kitchens and counter space due to its bulky footprint and attached lid. Reasons to buy. All parts are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid. Bulky footprint. Pricey. Number 7. Instant Pot Pro 6-quart multi-use electric pressure cooker. If you're looking for an Instant Pot upgrade with advanced settings, look no further. The Instant Pot Pro has 10-in-1 functionality, including pressure cook, slow cook, steamer and sous vide, just to name a few. This model also offers 5 programmable presets for your own recipes. The Pro has 2 pressure levels: high, 10.2, 11.6 psi, and low, 5.8, 7.2 psi. The stainless steel base was simple to clean, and any stuck-on food came off with ease. The pot also has silicone handles, which make picking up a hot or warm pot safe and easy. When testing, the Pro had the second highest score for coming to pressure. It pressurized in just 27 minutes. While it didn't perform as well during the natural pressure release test, it was able to release pressure in a little over 4 minutes using the quick release button. The push button on the top of the machine allows for quick and safe pressure release and has a plastic-covered steam valve. Reasons to buy. Comes to pressure quickly. Stainless steel cooking pot has silicone handles for ease transport. Easy to clean. Reasons to avoid. Natural pressure release is slow.